The Oukitel WP52 is a rugged phone that has a standard smartphone look. I mean, it looks like a normal smartphone, but it's a rugged phone with its tough and durability features intact. It's actually kind of nice, and it's also one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones. It weighs just 281 grams and it is 12.4 millimeter thick. Anyway, let's explore some of the top features of the Oukitel WP52. These are just the top features of the Oukitel WP52. It's a budget 5G rugged device and it is expected to be very cheap. It's going to launch officially very soon. I don't know its official launch date, but it's going to be available for a very affordable price. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.